York City, USA, January 20, 2025. Sunday's winter storm dumped anywhere from an inch to a half-foot of snow across the tri-state. Central Park reported 1.6 inches of snow. Highest totals included more than 8 inches in Highland Mills, New York, and nearly 6 inches in Ringwood, New Jersey. The snow and cold prompted a speed limit reduction to 25 miles per hour on the George Washington and Bayonne bridges after they were salted, according to New York City Emergency Management. Coastal Connecticut and Long Island, as well as areas farther inland, are expected to see 5 to 7 inches of snow. The Hudson Valley, North Jersey and southern Connecticut are also expected to see colder temperatures. In Hartford, temperatures are expected to drop to 7 degrees Monday morning, with a low of -3. In Andover Township, NJ, temperatures are expected to drop to -9. New York is just one of many areas across the country facing frigid temperatures and precipitation throughout the week.
Ringwood transfer at Queensboro Plaza to the Mattabout N or W train. For service to Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue, transfer.
A massive Arctic air mass, caused by a disruption in the polar vortex, could reach as far south as Louisiana and Mississippi. The National Weather Service issued cold weather warnings from Montana to the Florida Panhandle. In northern Minnesota, temperatures had already dropped below -20 by Sunday afternoon. Meanwhile, parts of New England are expected to receive up to 10 inches of snow Sunday into Monday.
First snow, New Year. Today is January.
For service to Manhattan, transfer.